In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure on Google Docs. Whether you're creating this brochure for a business, an event, or just for your own creative project, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Google Docs on your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you'll see an array of templates available for your use. Just head over to the template gallery, and there you're likely to find a brochure template. This is a great starting point, especially if you're pressed for time or need a professional looking layout. Now that you've selected the brochure template, it's time to get personal. The first thing you need to do is edit the company name that's often part of the template's header. Click on the text that represents the company name, simply backspace or delete, and then type in the name of your company or project. It's these small customizations that really bring your brochure to life. Next up is the imagery. Images are a vital part of any brochure as they capture attention instantly. Select the default image in the template, which will likely be a placeholder. Once it's highlighted, look for the Replace Image option in the toolbar. Clicking there gives you the choice to upload an image from your computer, which is ideal for personalizing the brochure with your brand's visuals or relevant photos. Remember, high-quality images make a significant impact, so choose one that truly represents the essence of your brochure. With the visuals in place, let's move on to the text details. Highlight the date on the brochure template and update it to the current date or any specific event date that fits with the purpose of your brochure. This will ensure your materials are timely and accurate. Now it's time to fill in the company details. Click on the section where your company or event details are listed and edit them to reflect accurate information. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for credibility and contact purposes. Moving along, the product overview is typically the next piece of content you'll want to modify. This section introduces the reader to what you're offering, so make sure it's compelling and concise. Use clear language that speaks directly to your audience's needs or interests. Finally, delve into the more detailed product sections. Here you'll want to provide the exact specifications, features, or additional company information that potential clients may find useful. This is your opportunity to go into more depth, so don't skip out on the finer details. And there you have it, your very own customized brochure created in Google Docs. Remember, while I've given you a structured pathway, feel free to experiment with fonts, colors, and additional elements to truly make it your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy designing!